Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Mike plus all, Michael. Duh plus glass, Douglas. Michael Douglas. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you very much, Art. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to our program. I have been hosting this show for a little over 4 years now, but Concentration is a true television classic because it made its debut on the network way back in 1958. And at that time, when it was just in the planning stages, there was an announcer in Detroit, Michigan, who sent in an audition tape after hearing that Concentration might be going on the air. He sent in an audition tape to the Goodson-Todman people in New York, and he got the job, and he was the very first announcer for Classic Concentration, and I have had the pleasure of working with him for the past 2.5 weeks. Art James is his name, and it's good to see him again. And Art still has just as much hair as 32 years ago, still looks as young as he did then, and it's been a lot of fun, Art. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you, Alex.
All righty. Our two contestants are the same players who were with us yesterday. Randy Sorensen on my right, who has won $3,512 in prizes. Adam Stone on my left, who hasn't won anything, but is coming back with a vengeance in this first game today. He's got one strike against him. He has to win. He could wind up with this prize.
Jensen's fashions for men and women. Versatile designs in swimwear, golfwear, sportswear, and sweaters. Designed for your personal style. In rich colors and distinctive knits, furnished by Jensen. Alex.
Thank you, Art. Marjorie gets all the good spots on this show, doesn't she? Yeah. Okay, Adam and Randy, take a look on the board. Here's where you will find the swimwear at number 1. Also, a holiday in the Caribbean. And Adam, you go first.
Okay, I want that holiday. Let's see what's behind number 8.
Vacuum cleaner.
Okay, and number 17.
Stereo, no match. Randy.
Okay, a holiday would be great. How about number 19?
Entertainment center.
Oh, that would be lovely. How about number 10?
Espresso and cappuccino machine. Adam.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 13.
Rope hammock.
And number 21.
Nope, there's that Caribbean barefoot cruise.
Okay,
Randy?
I love to go barefoot. How about number 23?
Gold bracelet.
Okay, let's look for that gold bracelet under number 9.
Rope hammock. No. Adam.
Let's see what's behind number 15.
Green take.
And number 3.
No, red take. Boy, we're zigging and zooging all over this board.
Okay, was that hammock under 21?
No, that's the barefoot cruise.
Gee, I should have known that. Okay, how about number 16 for that cruise?
No, that's the swimwear. Adam.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 1.
Swimwear.
And number 16.
At last, we have a match. We have ignition. We may have liftoff in a moment. Open these 2 doors for him. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 25 in the corner.
Caribbean cruise.
And number 21 for the match.
There's the match.
Okay.
2 in a row for AS, Adam Stone, battling RS, Randy Sorensen. Show him. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 24.
Wild card. It'll be 3 in a row.
Okay, and let's see what's behind number 14.
Red take, the other one. You saw it a little earlier at number 3. Here is the tape for insurance purposes. Open 3 doors for Adam Stone. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 7.
Gold bracelet.
And I think that was behind number 12.
Think he's right, Randy? No, he's wrong. Are you going to make that match?
Well, was that bracelet under number 19?
I think so.
No.
But I'm wrong and you're wrong. Entertainment center there.
Okay, we've already seen that there. Let's look for that under number 17.
No. Stereo. Adam.
Okay, let's see what's under number 9.
Rope hammock.
And let's see what's behind number 20.
Wild card. right. Randy throws up her hands and says, oh, boy. We have a rope hammock on the board at number 13.
There it is.
3 prizes in Adam's column. Open up these 3 doors. Try it again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 18.
Cookware.
And I don't think we've seen what's behind number 2.
There's a wild card. The other cookware.
All right.
Where is it? Show him. At number 5. Randy may not get a chance to put a prize in her column that Adam can use his red take to take away from her. Let's open 3 panels for him right now. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 6.
Entertainment Center.
And I think that's number 19.
Yeah, Entertainment Center, right. Now, Adam's making all these matches, and he was applauding himself right now, as you saw, ladies and gentlemen, but it wasn't a real vigorous applause. That's better. Gives me the feeling that he's not sure about this puzzle. Let's open the 2 panels and see.
Just don't know it.
All right, go again. There's still time.
Let's see what's behind number 15.
Green take.
And I think that's number 12.
Green take. Getting it all. Getting it all. Open it up. Well, both takes are sitting in front of Adam Stone, so we know that what remains on the board is 4 different prizes. Adam, make a selection.
Okay, let's see what's behind 23.
Gold bracelet.
And number 17.
No. Randy.
Okay. How about number 7?
Gold bracelet.
Thank you. Number 23.
23 is right. That 1 prize goes into Randy's column. In our last game on yesterday's program, Adam had a lot of prizes in his column. Randy had just 2. She came along, solved the puzzle, and beat him. Is it going to happen again? Let's take a look. Pick again.
Okay. How about number 10?
Espresso and cappuccino machine.
Okay. How about number 4?
Stereo.
Uh-oh.
Adam's alive.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 17.
Stereo.
And number 4 for the match.
Stereo.
All right, all right.
She's got a gold bracelet.
I'll take the gold bracelet.
Might as well take it, yes. Open these 2 panels for Adam.
Mistaken identity.
He corrected himself. He started to say misspoke, and then he said mistaken identity. And he is right. Let's go. Almost misspoke yourself into a bad situation. You explain it.
Okay, we have the miss and the spike, and the hen is misspoken.
No, you're doing it again now. That's a steak.
Mistake, and the hen is mistaken. I, the lion's den, the T, T and the T. It's a mistaken identity.
That's it. Some puzzles are tougher than others. All right, Randy, just 1 strike against you, so you're going to come back in game number 2. We'll see you in that one in a few minutes. Adam, she says good luck. You got a lot of prizes coming your way. You're going to enjoy this. Art, tell them.
Here they come, Adam. First, a rope hammock and a gold bracelet. Then, a cookware set, Flavorite Kitchen Nutrition Cooking System featuring whistling temp tone. This unusual healthy food preparation method helps preserve vitamins and minerals, furnished by Regal. And an entertainment center, Ashley's 5-piece bar, display, and entertainment cabinet designed in smart contemporary white. Super gloss finish with brass finish accents. World-class furniture furnished by Ashley. A stereo. Symphonics compact stereo system is packed with advanced features. AM/FM quartz tuner, dual cassette deck, turntable, remote control, and incredible sounding 2-way speakers furnished by Symphonic. Adam, you've got a Caribbean barefoot cruise. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, while in flight experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll embark on a 6-day Windjammer barefoot cruise. casual sailing adventure in the exotic Caribbean for both old salts and landlubbers. Take off your shoes, sail away to paradise, furnished by Windjammer Bearport Cruises, and of course, the sporty swimwear. A prize package totaling $6,902.
Big win for Adam, and when we return, he gets to play for a brand new car. So stay with us, please. Numbered squares, 35 seconds on the clock. That's it. Tense up. Go for it.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
5, 2.
No.
7, 8.
No.
1, 8.
No.
10, 11.
No.
7, 6.
Nope.
12, 10, 7,
No.
7, 12,
Right.
14, 6,
No.
15, 5,
Yep.
13, 6,
No.
1, 13, 14.
That's okay. No, it's not impossible. You were cruising along there. You were doing it so quickly, it was tough for you to maintain your concentration. But you've got a shade under $7,000 in prizes, and you're going to play again after this. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. At the end of our last game, we had a momentary confusion in our production team here. Adam gave a response to the puzzle. He started to say mistaken identity. Our contestants are instructed that they have to be prepared to say exactly the right thing. If they don't, they can't go back and correct it. We gave him credit with a win, and we penalized Randy with a cross. We don't want to penalize our players in situations like that, so Adam gets to keep his $7,000 in prizes, but we take away the X from Randy. And now we go into game number 2. And is this a cute little guy or what?
Samsung's Big Picture is this 31-inch MTS stereo color television with high-tech monitor styling and a deluxe 36-key remote control furnished by Samsung Electronics. And while watching TV, you may enjoy Klondike frozen desserts. Taste you can sink your teeth into. Creamy ice cream bars, chocolate wafer ice cream sandwiches, calorie-conscious light bars furnished by Klondike. Alex.
Thank you, Art. We'll show our players where they can find that prize on the board. At number 2, the color TV. Randy, you were looking for someone for your daughter, Taylor Ann, that's your name? Well, that was Matthew Alexander, but that's when he was a much younger man.
Right.
That was about 2 months old.
But they'll look cute together.
They will look cute together, right. Only one wild card in this game, Randy. We've got $800 in the cash pot, the bonus seconds, and a holiday in New York. And you get to go first.
Okay. Well, there's lots of good things. Let's just look under number 8.
Green tape.
I know from experience I could use that. How about number 19?
Chandelier. No match. Adam.
Okay, I want that trip to New York. Let's see what's behind number 11. And
Luggage.
number 19.
No. Chandelier.
Okay.
Randy.
How about number 1?
Gold and diamond brooch.
Oh, that would be nice. How about number 20?
Car phone. No match there. Adam.
Like that too. Let's see what's behind number 23.
Cash pot.
Okay, and number 4.
Wild card. The other cash spot is in the lower right-hand corner. So we're getting an interesting triangle shape here. I don't know how much that will reveal. Usually it doesn't show very much of the puzzle. Let's take a look, though. You never know. In this case, I did know. It doesn't show much. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 18.
Chandelier.
And number 19 for the match.
Chandelier.
All right, all right.
Why are you saying uh-oh?
Is he going to do this to me again? This is what he did last time. He just got all the matches and I sat here.
Yeah, but that's all right. That's all right. You'll get your chance. It's
Okay.
very early and with just the one wild card. You see, that makes it tough.
Yeah, that's true.
Open it up. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 12.
New York, New York.
Oh, I want that. And let's see what's behind number 15.
Color TV. Randy?
Okay, I want that TV. Number 2 and number 15.
2 and 15. Color TV with a permanent picture of my son, Matthew Alexander, embedded on the screen. Open these 2 panels for Randy Sorensen, please. Go again.
Okay, how about number 10, please?
5 bonus car seconds.
Oh, that would be helpful. How about number 16?
crystal bowl and vase. No match,
Okay,
Adam.
let's see what's behind number 3.
5 bonus seconds.
And number 10 for the match. All right.
Andy's not applauding very loud either because Adam's making those matches again. Open the doors for him. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's behind number 20.
Car phone.
Ooh, that's right. And let's see what's behind number 6.
Luggage. Randy.
Okay, did we see that luggage under number 11?
We did.
And number 6.
6 and 11, yes. Another prize for Randy. Another look at the puzzle.
Is it tender is the night?
Tender is the night, she says. And by golly, she is right. Pull that one out of thin air. There really wasn't all that much showing, but what starts with 10 and ends with night?
Well, yeah, I was going, I saw the deer, so tender
You figured
night.
out it was a
tender,
deer?
I'm going tender night, what, and I
Tenderloin.
I don't know.
Tenderizer.
It just came to me.
Came to you. Well, aren't you glad it came to you? Because you won the game
thrilled.
and the match.
I'm
Come on over to the board. Well done. Good.
Okay, I saw the 10. First I thought that was Moses or something, but I saw the 10, which it is. And that's a deer, so 10 deer. That's a his, which I didn't see, his, the, and that was a night. So tender, his, the night.
Tender is the night. Well, Adam, 2 strikes. You did it to you again. However, you did win that Caribbean barefoot cruise. Now, that sounds to me like something you are going to get a lot of fun out of. Am I right?
Absolutely. All right.
And you've got a lot of other prizes totaling $6,902.
All right.
Nice having you here, Adam.
Had a
Take
great
care.
time.
So
Good
long.
luck.
All right, Randy. Why are you holding your stomach?
Oh, I don't know. I left my baby over there.
You left your baby?
My baby picture.
The baby picture for good luck? All right, we'll get it after, we'll get it during the commercial break and after we hear about your prizes from Art.
2 great prizes, Randy. First, luggage. Ricardo Beverly Hills Rodeo Drive 2 collection. Fully lined, lightweight, bright, and cheerful luggage. High-density nylon construction. Weekend or around-the-world trips. Furnished by Ricardo Beverly Hills. And, of course, the handsome color TV. Prizes totaling $2,034.
And Randy says that she told her husband she was going to win a brand new TV for him, so you did what you said you were going to do. Now, did you tell him you were going to win a car?
Well, I didn't promise that.
You didn't promise. Well, you didn't promise him you'd win a color TV. You just said,
That's
I'll
true.
win a color TV for you. It was not a promise. I'm
That's
not
true.
sure he's not going to be angry if you don't come back
No,
with a car.
he would never be angry.
He would never be angry.
You know, I have a very good husband. He's
You do?
well trained.
Okay. Whoa.
I'm gonna be in trouble.
Uh-oh, yes. You said it. Remember, we'll take a break and we'll come back to play the car round after this. Poor Randy's all by herself in our studio today. Her sister was keeping her company earlier and cheering her on, but she had to leave. And now Randy's all on her own as she tries to win a brand new car. 15 squares and 50 seconds on the clock. So you could do it today. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
Nope.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
7, 1,
No.
8, 9,
No.
6, 12,
No.
1, 12,
Yes.
11, 7,
No.
5, 10,
No.
9, 13,
No.
8, 10,
Yep.
14, 2, 4, 15, 2, 9,
Yep.
3, 13, 4, 11,
No.
4, 14,
No.
gee, 5.
You know, as you were calling out all of those cars, I was running through my mind something you said the last time you were up here, a lot of S sounds. You know, you've got the S10, you've got the Sundance, the Stylus, the Scoop, the Civic, which has an S sound, the Festiva, and the Justy. But the only car that doesn't have the S sound is the Metro. The Metro. So that does make it tough on you. However, you've played our game well. You've got $5,546 and no strikes against you. So you're going to play in at least 2 more games. It's break time for us. We want to hear about another prize first, though, and here's Art to tell us.
Some of today's participants may receive Vitamix, stainless steel 3-minute bread maker and home yogurt factory that juices without waste, cooks without burning, freezes instant ice cream, and offers 800 other recipes. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in a moment.
Marjorie, I think it's time you started thinking about having a little baby like this. Randy did. I did. Oh, by the way, folks, it's not because I forgot, and I didn't mean to string it out this long in order to taunt the students, but we have a group of young boys and girls in our studio audience today from Northridge Junior High, and we are delighted to have them here because they make a great audience. We hope to have them with us again. We'll see you all next time. So long.
This is Art James speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.